Hey there! Today I am going to elaborate you about introduction to micro servo motor. This video has two parts. In this part I am talking about what is servo motors, types of servo motors, uses of servo motors, advantages of servo motors and why build servo motors. And in the second part I will show you the code and wiring system with Arduino. So this is servo motor. It comes with 3 servo horns and 3 screws. 2 big servo horns and 1 small servo horn. These screws are for lock the servo horn with motor. This servo motor has 3 wires. One is for positive voltage, another is for ground, and last one is for position setting. The red wire is connected to power, black wire is connected to ground, and yellow wire is connected to signal. I am going to use a big servo horn. After placement the servo horn, it looks like this. I didn't set the screw on the servo horn, but it's really important to set the screw on the servo horn. So, what is servo motor? A servo motor is an electrical device which can push or rotate an object with great precision. If you want to rotate an object at some specific angle or distance, then you use servo motor. It is just made up of simple motor which run through servo mechanism. Servo come in many sizes and in 3 basic types: positional rotation, continuous rotation and linear. The servo motor is a small and effective motor, and it can be used in some serious applications like precise position control. The controlling of this motor can be done with a PWM pulse width modulator signal. The applications of these motors mainly include in industrial robotics, computers, toys, CD or DVD players, CNC machinery or automated manufacturing, radio-controlled airplanes to position control surface like elevators, radars, walking a robot or operating grippers, etc. Servo motors are small, have built-in control circuiting and have good power for their size. Servo motor has an assembly of 4 things: DC motor, gearing set, control circuit and position sensor. So what is advantages of servo motors? First one is smooth control in the entire speed range, almost no oscillation, high efficiency, low heat generation, high speed control and high precision position control. And the last one, why build servo motor? The servo motor is built into the camera to correct a lens of the camera to improve out of focus images. The servo motor is used in robotics vehicles to control the robot wheels, producing plenty torque to move, start and stop the vehicles and control its speed. So that's for today. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe this channel if you like this video.